In today's video, I'll show you how to create a fun opening where message style elements pop onto the screen and reveal your video in a lively and modern way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an intro, so the pop-up motion feels natural. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Message Pops, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, message-like bubbles pop onto the screen, revealing the video underneath with a playful bounce. To control how energetic the pop effect feels, use the duration slider at the bottom. Dragging it to the left makes the pops quick and snappy. Dragging it to the right slows them down, making the motion softer and more relaxed. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the pop-ups match the rhythm of your content. And that's it. You've successfully added a message pop-up reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.